Hey guys, what's up? I figured I'm gonna do another quick video for the Ruth and Eric channel. So, in the past few weeks, I've been abroad for a while. We went to Microconf, which is super awesome. You should check it out. It's this conference about building micro SaaS or small niche SaaS products and how to market them and how to build them on your own terms. Without having to take any outside investment. I mean, just to let you know about other options. And then my wife, Julia, took me to Rome for my birthday. So I'm 31. It's official now, I'm old. And finally, after a long time, it's time to get back to very good routine, focusing on work, focusing on, just maintaining yourself. But I haven't trained in a while. I didn't eat healthy. And I started a streak, like a cleanse period, without drinking, without smoking. So it's been 2 weeks without alcohol, just 1 week today without smoking anything, which is, to be honest, it feels very good. And I just get back to training. This is where I live, by the way. And there's one point I wanted to discuss with you guys very shortly, and it's regarding business, doing the things that help you move the needle forward, doing the things that really, these small changes that are going to have this massive impact on your overall bottom line and your overall revenue compared to, the day-to-day stuff that sometimes we do and don't have this impact. And this is something I know up close. In our own company, we tend sometimes to waste a lot of time building new features that are not necessarily going to help us grow the business. And eventually we need to remember this fixation about growing revenue. It's important not only so you can make more money, it's also important so that you'll get more resources in order to expand to these other features that you want to build and the vision you have for the company. So I do encourage you guys, and it's a short one because I'm in the middle of a workout. Focus on the things that really gonna have a huge impact on your overall bottom line. It can be related to onboarding, it can be related to pricing, it can be related to how you're activating your customers, small changes related to marketing. Figure out all these growth hacks that are very small and can have this huge impact on your business, and ask yourself, where are you wasting your times on things that are not directly contributing to your business growth. And really, it's very important to take your time once every 2 weeks maybe to just reflect on what been going on in the past previous time frame, and just kill everything that is a waste of time and focus more on the things that are going to have a better impact. You can always learn from your past actions and things you've done in the past, what worked, what didn't work. And this really is going to help you push further and be more successful and get more resources to provide even more jobs and provide for more people and take responsibility for more people, help more people with your solution, with the company you're building, and help more people who are working for you, to achieve their goals in life. Eventually it's all the same, like the entire company should all be gained toward the same thing, which is making more money so that the company can grow. The company is much bigger than you at some point. When you're just starting out, sometimes, sorry, my hand is starting to ache. Sometimes when you're just starting out, it's all about making some revenue. But once things are starting to work, it just gets so much bigger than your own. And suddenly you have so many people you need to take care of. All your employees, all your customers. So at that point, it's important to keep growing the company so that everyone can still enjoy the good things that your company is doing for the rest of the world, and you can help more people internally and externally. This is it. For this point, I'm going to go back to my workout. Thank you for watching and listening. Make sure to subscribe. If you have anything you want me to talk about specifically, just hit it, write it down in the comment section below. I love you all, guys. See you later. Bye.